So I wanted to share with you a spaced repetition template. I got these ideas and formulas from Khe Hy. His Notion space will be linked in the description if you want to check out the original video. But this can be used for anything you like that you want to take a regular review of. So I'll use it for notes and ideas. I'll set it for annual. Let me do that. Annual. I can't. So let's go into review days. Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's why. Annually. So on here, you can build this out as a linked database only showing what's due on September the 1st of next year. The other nice thing about this is that it will tell you when something is overdue for review. So play around with it. Again, I'm using it for notes, Bible memory, and journal review on an annual basis. Lots of other things you can use it for. Hope you find it useful. Thanks.